In a world where hormonal imbalances wreak havoc on people's lives, one supplement stands above the rest, offering a ray of hope and a path to restored vitality. Introducing Hormonal Harmony HB-5, the revolutionary hormone balance support dietary supplement that unlocks the power of nature to combat weight loss resistance, exhaustion, brain fog, and anxiety. Half of the world's population battles with the consequences of hormonal imbalances, facing a wide range of health issues. But now, thanks to Hormonal Harmony HB-5, you can take control of your hormones and reclaim your life. Within the human body, there exist 5 major hormones responsible for maintaining balance and optimal functioning. When these hormones face roadblocks, the results can be devastating. Traditional treatments often involve relying on multiple medications, robbing individuals of a normal, healthy existence. But with Hormonal Harmony HB-5, a new era begins. Hormonal Harmony HB-5 is a breakthrough supplement that targets the 5 major hormonal blocks, addressing the root causes of weight loss resistance, erratic moods, disrupted metabolism, and compromised well-being. Through years of scientific research, a unique blend of natural ingredients has been carefully formulated to restore hormonal harmony. Let's delve into the incredible ingredients that make Hormonal Harmony HB-5 a game-changer in hormone support. Kelp, a nutrient-dense gift from the ocean, acts as a fat blocker, preventing fat absorption in the gut. Magnesium supports weight loss and hormone balance, while zinc reduces appetite and aids in obesity treatment. Selenium enhances thyroid function, boosting energy and metabolism. Copper plays a crucial role in fat metabolism, promoting a healthier body composition. Manganese aids in the formation of connective tissue, bones, and sex hormones. Vitamin B12 ignites metabolism, providing long-lasting energy for weight loss. Bladderwrack stimulates the thyroid gland, regulating weight and metabolism. But the benefits don't stop there. Rhodiola rosea extract, red ginseng, dim, cinnamon, and African mango complete the powerful formula, promoting fat burning, appetite reduction, balanced hormones, and regulated blood sugar levels. With Hormonal Harmony HB-5, your body becomes a harmonious symphony of health and vitality. But remember, hormone balance takes time. The creators recommend a consistent intake of Hormonal Harmony HB-5 for at least 3 months to achieve efficient and effective results. Each bottle of Hormonal Harmony HB-5 contains 90 capsules, providing a month's supply. Simply take 1 capsule with each meal, 3 times a day. It's that easy. Reclaim your life and embark on a stress-free journey to wellness. Discover the freedom to live your best life with Hormonal Harmony HB-5. Say goodbye to weight loss resistance, fatigue, and hormonal struggles. Embrace a brighter future filled with energy, balanced hormones, and a revitalized you. Don't let hormonal imbalances hold you back any longer. Take the first step towards a better tomorrow. Join the Hormonal Harmony HB-5 revolution and unlock the power of your hormones. Hormonal Harmony HB-5, because a life in perfect harmony starts within. Get your bottle of HB-5 today and experience the benefits of natural health support. Choose your package below.